Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Let's see anong pang meron sa inyo ng person on your mind. Let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards here for earth signs. Please, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, 1, 2, and 3, no? So, let's see. Ano yan? So, I abused you mentally, spiritually, no, physically, no. So meron ditong abuser, no, for some of you earth signs, no. And again, no, vice versa tayo dito, no. Pwedeng kayo tong merong ganitong mentality or I mean characteristic, no, abuser behavior, no, something like that. Maybe for some of you, you are dealing with a narcissistic type of person, right? No, with this, no, so sobrang abuse